background dancers.
We have a special
ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में.
So it's just opening of this gateway, and I'm sure we'll all be working here. People from Saudi, the talent, the singers, the writers, the poets, filmmakers, cameramen, they'll come down to India and do stuff, and all of us go around and conquest the whole world with our storytelling at the end of it all. And see, I think that's what it means. It's not a difficult thing. If your heart is in the right place, like ours is from India, and Saudi's is from Saudi, I think we'll connect and continue telling lovely stories together.
And I think it's going to be a really good thing for the Arab film industry. You know, since Saudi has just opened up and they're making theaters after theaters after theaters. So for the Arab film industry, because it's a very large Arab community, you know, a lot of people speak the language. Now just imagine you have 20, 30,000 theaters here. The amount of work that your film industry will get, and most of the times that other industry needs, you know, Arabic actors. So there will be a lot of work and a lot of revenue that is generated. And I think that the Arab film industry could be one of the largest film industries.
I also feel that Saudi Arabia over the last few years is demonstrating with its actions that it wants to be more inclusive. It wants to be part of, you know, larger things. And I think that demonstration with actions is going to pay a lot of, you know, I mean, like Salman was saying, it'll bring a lot of work here. The fact that, you know, Saudi is inviting creative people, not just creative people, I think sports people as well, from all over the world. By their actions, they're indicating that they would like to be much more inclusive. And I think that itself is a very strong statement and a strong step, sure, in the right direction.
So what project would have to land right now in front of you that's a co-production between Bollywood and Saudi Arabia?
So Razan, Salman Bhai is learning Arabic.
Oh, that's wonderful.
I'm learning the dance, and Amir is going to audition for the song right now. Come on. Come on, Amir. He's learning. See, they'll keep on, you know, what my problem is, they'll keep asking intellectual questions and we'll run out of answers after that. We're entertainers. We need
I'm
to
almost
entertain
done
people.
with my questions, by the way.
You're sounding too intelligent, Razan. We are getting a call about what else nice word, big words to use. So we are going to ask Amir to save us with... They're just, he's just been learning. So we all have to be happy that he started learning, and he'll do a little rendition, and the loudest claps have to come. Salman and me are going to clap the loudest when he sings.
So I love singing. I don't know how much other people like my singing, but I enjoy it. So why don't all of us, three of us sing here?
We'll do the backup dancing.
Why don't you join me?
Like we do in Hindi films, Salman and me will just stand behind and we'll do a little dance.
अरे क्या मस्ती कर रहा है?
Please. Salman, our step is this, huh?
कौन सा गाना गाऊं?
वाली कर रहे step.
Which
कौन सा
song should I
करेंगे
sing?
step? Whichever song you want, we'll just
Whichever song you want to sing, Amir. We are your background dancers.
We have a special
ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना. ओरे ताल मिले नदी.
Big round of
के
applause,
जल
ladies and
में.
gentlemen. His first public performance of his learning the classical singing. And in Saudi Arabia.
That was great.
Actually, Salman sings really well. I've heard him sing.
Yeah, but only in the studio, and after that, the technician spent about 2 months correcting my voice. So I don't think it's a good idea singing right here now.